In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join and make money with the Monday.com affiliate program. If you're looking for a straightforward way to earn some extra income, you're in the right place. I'll guide you through the whole process, from signing up to sharing your affiliate link for earning rewards. First, head over to monday.com/affiliate program. This is where your journey begins. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says Start Earning Rewards Now. Go ahead and click on that. This will redirect you to the PartnerStack platform, which is where Monday.com's affiliate program is hosted. Next, you'll notice a Join Now button. Click on that to begin the application process. This takes you to a form where you'll need to fill out some basic details related to your partnership. It's important to ensure that all the information you provide is accurate and complete to avoid any delays or issues in the approval process. Now, as you fill out the form, you'll encounter 3 partnership options. These are crucial for defining how you want to earn with Monday.com. The first option is Referral or Authorized Partner, which allows you to earn commissions by promoting and selling Monday.com's services. If you prefer lead generation, there's a second option for you. Here, you earn a fee for every qualified lead you provide that meets specific criteria. Finally, the third option is to become an affiliate. This involves promoting Monday.com on your website and earning a commission or a cost per lead fee. Once you've selected the option that best suits your goals, ensure you fill in all the necessary details required in the form. It's also important to note the tick boxes below the form. These are typically agreements or terms and conditions that you need to agree to. Be sure you've read through them, and if you're comfortable, check both boxes. With everything in place, click on the Submit Application button. After you've successfully joined the affiliate program, you'll receive your unique affiliate link. This is the key to starting your earning journey. Simply copy this link and share it across your networks. Whether it's through your website, social media, or any other platform you're engaged with, sharing your link is how you attract traffic and potential customers to Monday.com, thereby earning you rewards. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you'll be part of the Monday.com affiliate program and well on your way to earning some great rewards. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on maximizing affiliate opportunities.